Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to explain the relation between beta and gamma function. Beta of m comma n is equal to gamma of m into gamma of n by gamma of m plus n. The beta function is defined as beta of m comma n is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power m minus 1 into 1 minus x to the power n minus 1 dx when m greater than 0 and n greater than 0. Put x is equal to sine square theta. Then dx is equal to 2 sin theta and inner derivative of sin theta cos theta d theta. Therefore, put x is equal to 0, then theta is equal to 0. Put x is equal to 1, then theta is equal to pi by 2. X is equal to sine square theta to the power m minus n, m minus 1. 1 minus x means 1 minus sine square theta cos square theta to the power n minus 1 into dx is equal to 2 sin theta cos theta d theta. As a constant, 2 is a constant, I have written outside. Then integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 2m minus 2 into cos to the power 2n minus 2 theta into sin theta cos theta d theta. As the bases are same here and the power should be added, therefore I added 1 to this and here 1 to this. And then it becomes beta of m comma n is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 2m minus 1 theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta. And the gamma function is defined as gamma of n is equal to integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x into x to the power n minus 1 dx where n greater than 0. We have this relation here. So just replace x is equal to t. I am just replacing x is equal to t. And I am changing the variable here. Gamma of m is equal to 0 to infinity e to the power minus t into t to the power m minus 1 dt. And put t is equal to x square, then dt is equal to derivative of x square 2x dx. Then it becomes 2 into integral 0 to infinity e to the power minus x square and x to the x square power m minus 1 x dx. And the constant here I am written outside. So 2 into integral 0 to infinity to the power minus x square x to the power 2m minus 2, and here the bases are same and power should be added plus 1 dx. And then the equation comes like this. And similarly, put t is equal to y square and the equation will be like this. Gamma of n is equal to 2 into integral 0 to infinity to the power minus y square by y to the power 2n minus 1 dy. And let it be the equation 1 and this is equation 2. Multiply both the equations 1 and 2. Then we get 2 into 2 4 and this integral 0 to infinity and e to the power minus x square x to the power 2m minus 1 into e to the power minus y square into y to the power 2n minus 1 dx into dy. And change this equation into polar coordinates. Let x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, then dx dy is equal to r dr d theta as we all know. And the limits also vary and the radius r varies from 0 to infinity and theta varies from 0 to pi by 2. And gamma of m into gamma of n is equal to 4 into, and as limits varied 0 to infinity and 0 to pi by 2 e to the power minus x square plus y square into x to the power 2m minus 1 into y to the power 2n minus 1 dx dy. And x square plus y square, x is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta, so squaring r square cos theta and r square sin theta, then sin square theta plus cos square theta 1, therefore it becomes r square and here it becomes r square, therefore e to the power minus r square. X is equal to r cos theta, so r cos theta per 2m minus 1 and r sin theta whole to the power 2n minus 1 into dx dy is dr d theta dr. So 4 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2 e to the power minus r square and r to the power 2m minus 1 into cos theta whole to the power 2m minus 1, again r to the power 2n minus 1 into sin theta per 2n minus 1 r d theta dr. Here 4 into integral 0 to infinity 0 to pi by 2 e to the power minus r square, and here this r square and this r to the power 2m minus 1 plus 2n minus 1. Here all the bases are same, so I am adding all these 2m minus 1 plus 2n minus 1, and here this is 1, so plus 1 into cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta and sin to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta and dr. then it becomes e to the power minus r square, r to the power 2 common తీసాను, m plus n minus 1 cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta and sin to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta dr. Here I split it into two equations, 2 into 0 to pi by 2 cos to the power 2m minus 1 theta into sin to the power 2n minus 1 theta d theta into 2 into 0 to infinity e to the power minus r square into r to the power 2 into m plus 1 minus 1 dr. As we know, this is in the form of beta of m comma n. Here beta of m comma n is equal to 2 into integral 0 to pi by 2 sin to the power 2m minus 1 into theta cos to the power 2n minus 1 into theta d theta. So this is also in the same form. A small change, variable change, it's not a problem. Beta of m comma n, and this is gamma of m plus n. Therefore gamma of m comma n is equal to beta of m comma n into gamma of m plus n. Therefore beta of m comma n is equal to gamma of m comma n by gamma of m plus n. That's it. Thank you.